Okay, Sunset Elementary, all set?
You bet!
Students, we are so proud of everything that you've accomplished during remote learning. Let's take a look at what students have been doing at home.
During our time at home, we built a very own computer. We built it ourselves, and now we know how a computer works. I did this. Yeah. This is mine. I call it the colorful sunset. I can hear you, but I won't. Some look for trouble, while others don't. There are 1,000 reasons I should go about my day and ignore your whispers, which I wish would go away. Today I will show some things that I have made during the time that school has been out. I've made this lipstick, this perfume, this makeup, and this makeup. I also made this bracelet and this anklet. There's some of it. I made that picture. It is a picture of a rainbow. And these are some things I made. I hope you enjoy this video.
Those activities are amazing, students. Thanks for sharing your talents with us. Now let's look and see what teachers have been doing while they've been at home.
Hi Sunset friends, this is Mrs. Spadine. Just wanted to hop on real quick and share with you some of the creative things that I've been doing at my house. I got myself a diamond art finished. Did this because a couple of my students said that they had done these too, so I wanted to try it out. Also, I crochet, and here's a blanket that I finished. You can see it's got teddy bears in it. I hope all of you are well and safe and that you're using some of your time to be creative and create things at home. Bye.